And these dark brows are just throwing me off. Hey beauties, it's Viviana, and today I am going to try to achieve some big, juicy, voluminous curls using foil. I hope that came off very confident, as if I know what I'm about to do, when in actuality I have no clue and I've never tried this style before. But I'm hoping that we'll figure it out along the way and it will work. Optimism. For real though, I actually feel for some really nice juicy curls today. There are many options. There's jumbo flexi rods, jumbo perm rods, jumbo curl formers, but your girl Viv settled on foil because why not? So I'm starting on soaking wet hair, and the only thing I have right now in my hair is my leave-in conditioner, and that's because I do always apply my leave-in conditioner in the shower on soaking wet hair.
So I'm getting right into this hairstyle by first applying my products, thoroughly detangling my hair, and I decided to go with medium-sized sections because I thought that would give me the look I was going for with foil curls.
Actually, I had decided to do pin curls on my soaking wet hair instead of dry hair that most people usually do pin curls on. But then I thought to myself, if I do pin curls, then I'm gonna get that crinkly line in my curls, and I didn't want that. So I figured I would use foil to hold my pin curls in place, but since I'm not using pins to hold the pin curl in place, it's no longer called pin curls, so technically it's now called foil curls. So I think the easiest part of this hairstyle is to actually do the curl that you make on your finger. If you don't know what pin curls look like, it's basically just gathering the hair, wrapping it around your fingers, and twirling it all the way up. And then at this point is when you would flatten it on your head and pin it down. But since we're doing foil curls, we're going to be holding it with foil. How am I going to cut the foil so that we don't waste the foil and it wraps the curl effectively? I kind of have an idea, but like everything else in my life, I know what I'm doing, but I kind of don't, and I'm really just trying to figure it out along the way.
I purchased the cheapest foil I could find at the supermarket, and that was probably not the best idea because it was really thin. And I ended up having to double the foil pieces anyway because it kept tearing when I was applying it to my hair. And now I have these foil triangular pieces.
So let's see how they work. Alright, we're going to twist the roots a little bit. And after doing that, instead of starting at the ends and rolling the hair up, I'm gonna put my fingers at the root and then roll the hair around my finger. Alright, then I'm gonna secure the ends with my finger, and before I pull my fingers out of the hair, I'm going to grab a piece of foil, put it under the hair, and then press the hair onto the foil and off my finger. And then fold the short piece, fold the long piece all the way around, and fold the bottom up. Yay! And kind of press it down a bit. Yay! And that's my foil curl. Baby, yeah!
Aww. I was so excited for this look. Cause all I was thinking was that, wow, if this thing really works out and I got some nice smooth bouncy curls from just using foil alone, a basic kitchen staple, especially without having to straighten my hair first, this would have been epic, life-changing, revolutionary. And this was probably the fastest I've ever applied some curls to my hair.
Alright, let's see how this dries. You might notice that my eyebrows look a bit too dark. I had a microblading appointment in between filming this video. So just give it a few weeks for it to heal and look a lot more natural.
If you've been enjoying this video and you haven't skipped a thing, answer this question to be featured in my next intro.
Alright, let's see how... Okay, this one looks like it's already slipping, so let's just pull this. Okay. Huh. Hold on. Damn it, I feel some moisture. Ooh, but it has a nice little bounce to it. Okay. And it do dry. Really, what I must do? You know what? I don't have the time. I have allowed this to sit under the dryer for about 3 hours. Now do it again. You know what? I'm not even that impressed with how the dried ones turned out. For me to sit under the dryer even longer. So let's see what we can get out of this failed hairstyle. Oh lordy, lordy. Okay. I get a cute hairstyle still, right? I am going to try to achieve some big, juicy, voluminous curls using foil. So now I'm still left with that itch for some big, juicy, voluminous curls. I think I'm gonna go buy some perm rods this time. Anyway, beauties, I hope you enjoyed this video, even though there's not much you can take from it, except we now know why foil curls isn't a thing, and it sucks when your hairstyle fails. If you're new to this channel and you haven't decided from this one video that you want to subscribe, I honestly cannot understand why, but I'm gonna leave some more of my videos up in the iCards so you can go watch more of my videos, get more familiar with my channel, and see that not all my tutorials turn out into complete failure. Anyway, beauties, thanks again for watching. Later! Mwah.